Today we're gonna see how to fix Western Union error code C2002. Firstly, wait and retry. Temporary technical issues may cause this error. Wait for a few minutes and attempt the transfer again. Also ensure your credit or debit card details are correct and that sufficient funds are available. Western Union may require identity verification, so provide necessary information such as your name, address, and phone number. A stable internet connection is crucial to ensure you're connected to a reliable network for the transaction. And finally, using an outdated version of the Western Union app can lead to compatibility issues resulting to this error. So if nothing worked, just contact Western Union customer support. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Today we're gonna